Well, good afternoon, Jason, and once again, thanks for having me on. It's been quite a while, and thinking back, I think that we started doing updates almost weekly back when COVID was really kind of taking over every other conversation in town when we were in the midst of that really terrible period of time. But I have to say that unfortunately, COVID cases are once again on the upward rise. I saw a Facebook friend from on a post the other day who was going into the hospital for a heart problem, and he ended up being in a hallway for quite a while because the hospital was full of COVID patients. And whooping cough is also on the rise, actually 12 times higher than it was at this time last year, according to the state's health department. And so as fall is here almost, certainly a beautiful sunny summer day today, but medical professionals are expecting not only more COVID-19, but whooping cough and other respiratory illnesses to continue to trend upwards. Now, unfortunately, only 11.5% of Kenosha County residents have received the updated 2023-24 COVID-19 vaccine, and I really encourage all of your listeners and all of my constituents, certainly, especially those 65 and up who missed the 23 and 24 vaccine, to go ahead and get the 2024-25 vaccine, which became eligible, authorized just last week by the FDA on August 22nd. The other news that I wanted to share with you is that every U.S. household now is eligible to order 4 free at-home tests by going to covidtests.gov. Once again, covidtests.gov. And actually, they will begin shipping tests starting today. They're a great thing to have around, and if you start feeling ill, it's good to know whether or not, good to be able to check to see whether or not it's COVID that you have. And I would just like to say, if you need any assistance with finding information related to protecting yourself against COVID-19, please reach out to my office at 608-237-0965 or by mail, email at rep.ohnstad@legis.wisconsin.gov. And Wisconsin is spelled out completely, not just the WI. So thanks for having me on the air. And as you know, I'm kind of winding down here as have decided not to run for re-election. So probably have another time or two with you before I'm done, first of the year. So I wish you well, Jason, and thanks once again for having me on.